Hey, it's Nicole from ServiceTitan. Thank you for joining the ServiceTitan Phones Pro family. At ServiceTitan, we know that phones are the lifeblood of your business, so we want to make sure we're by your side every step of the way so you can start boosting efficiency and book more jobs. In this video, I'm going to show you how a CSR could take advantage of the real-time recommendation cards. So this is, make sure that whoever your supervisor is, that they've set up these recommendation cards in advance. They are not preloaded into the system. Check out our other video of how to set these up from the administrative settings page. But this is going to be how a CSR can take advantage of those. So before I get started and show you how they would actually pop up, I want to make note that you should download the Dialpad desktop app if you want to use these real-time recommendation cards. This web app gives you full functionality to pick up calls in a separate screen, but this is also going to be what allows you to see those recommendation cards. So I would download this and then just minimize it throughout your day so that you still have access and they'll pop up. But then you can just use your embedded phone, because by using your embedded phone, you don't really have to leave ServiceTitan. You can book a job and take calls and make outbound calls. But by having this minimized, you can still have the pop-ups of those recommendations. So granted that those have already been set up in advance, I'm going to simulate a call to show you what it'd be like if a customer called in and they were just booking a normal job, but then they started asking you about memberships and you forgot what those memberships included. So right now I have a call that's coming in. I'm going to go ahead and answer that call. And now you can see that you have this little pop-up. This is a pop-up that's driven from the Dialpad desktop app. You're having a conversation with the customer, and let's say the customer asks you about, hey, can you tell me about your memberships? So by either the CSR or the customer asking about memberships, this is going to give you a pop-up with a little bit of information about what your company's memberships include and some sales messaging of how you should talk about it so that you can pitch them this advanced feature. You have the ability to set this up for whatever you'd like. So if you have a really complex service that you can never remember the exact specifications for, or let's say you don't really know how to talk yourself out of a customer demanding pricing up front, you can set up these recommendation cards to help you out. This is an awesome feature, and I hope you guys take advantage of it. So thank you for watching, and if you'd like more tips and tricks from ServiceTitan, you can check out our knowledge base or ask us directly. Thanks.